Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today's video is about
Automotive replacement instrument panel gauges.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Hey everybody, this is Shane with Rick Rack. We have our Harley Davidson 2021 Limited here, and we're going to change out gauges today. We're going to do Dakota digital gauges. It's a 4-pack. It sets right into your bike, and you can actually change the color to anything you want on your phone with an app or the switch on the bike. And it's going to give you some more features as well. So let's get started. This is the Dakota digital gauges we've installed on our 2021 Harley Davidson Limited. It's all digital, and you can go onto the app and change the color. There's preset themes. Whatever you want to change it to, you can. Just pick the theme you want, hit apply changes, it changes it. And then I'm going to show you on the gauges, we turn the bike off to set the color we chose. So over here we have oil temperature that you don't have on your bike now, so that's an added feature with the digital gauges. Your fuel gauge is up here, miles per hour, RPM up there, voltmeter. And then down here there's 4 windows. Use the information switch over here on your handlebars. But if you want to change, like here there's the air temperature, we're going to change it to your head temperature, tire pressure, things like that. So you can pick whatever you want in that window. But we're going to hold it down. We're going to move over here. Now we're over in this window. So again, you can change anything you want in each of these 4 windows. Temperature, so that's an added feature with the digital gauges. This is up here, RPM up there, volt. And here there's 4. Use the information switch, change it to your tire pressure, things like that. So you can pick whatever you want. But we're going. So again, those better visibility, just cool looking. Pick the theme that you want. Plug and play.
Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase a gauge. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series 6-gauge custom dashboard set. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. Right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm fuel level gauge, water temperature gauge, a volt gauge, oil pressure gauge, and a 3 3/4 speedometer and tachometer. Also inside the packaging, you'll see all your mounting brackets and hardware, 2-foot power harnesses with 6-foot sensor wires, a 2-foot power harness for your volt gauge, a 2-foot power harness for your oil pressure gauge, a water temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, a 9-foot sensor harness for your oil pressure gauge, an oil pressure sensor, a 7-color shift light, a fine-tune adjustment tool for your speedometer, gauge visors for sun glare, and all of your installation instructions.